Hi guys, this is Ananya from PitchGround, and today I bring to you the most productive video you might have ever seen. I'm gonna tell you 5 most productive apps that are going to change your life forever. So let's just get right into the video. The first app is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is exactly like Excel sheets, but it has an added advantage of being completely free, unlike Microsoft 360. You can collaborate easily using Google Sheets. All you have to do is add the people who you want to collaborate with in the sheets and you're good to go. You can add comments to individual cells in Google Sheets. You can even add images. If you want to use it for your personal use, you can add templates like balance sheets, customer reports, or track your fitness. These templates are available on Google Sheets for free. If they don't suit your needs, you can even customize your own templates using Google Sheets. It is an all collaborative place for all your needs. So get started with Google Sheet and your productivity is going to increase twofolds. The second app is a lifesaver. If you're someone who has a lot of tabs open all the time and you struggle finding the right tab at the right time and it wastes your time, Qlearly is here for your rescue. This is the perfect extension for tab management. It helps you create different boards for different tabs. You can categorize your boards, you can make different columns, you can even color code the columns. This is all you need to manage all your tabs. Start using Qlearly and you are never going to lose a tab again. The next app is Google Calendar. Now, Google Calendar is a one-stop destination for all of your needs. You can add world clock, weather, you can even add your sports shows and TV shows on your calendar. If you're someone who likes to make to-do lists but are never able to complete them, Google Calendar is here to rescue. You can attach your to-do list to the calendar and get reminders. What more could you want? You can also add birthdays and color code them. If you have meetings and you're never able to decide a proper time as to when to meet, Google Calendar is here for you. Just use the suggested timings option in the calendar and it is going to suggest times when all of your teammates are free for a meeting and you're good to go. You can also add external apps such as Todoist to your calendar if you don't like Google Tasks. So this is definitely a collaborative space where you can get everything done within no time. Now, you must be wondering, how can you add all of this stuff into one place? Well, for your ease, I'm going to link some articles in the description down below so that you can learn how to do this in no time. The fourth app is Todoist. Now, if you're someone who's not very keen on maintaining the calendar but would still like to keep a track of all your things, Todoist is the perfect app for you. The most important thing that I love about this app is it lets you add tasks very easily. You can add tasks from widgets, from your notification center, or even from your home screen. It's just so easy and it gives you a lot of memory space. Just think about a task and add it. Another amazing feature about this app that I love is that it provides cross-device syncing. You can have your to-do list on your laptop, on your mobile, on your desktop in no time. You can access it from anywhere. It helps you set weekly and daily goals and you don't have to set time separately. You can just type in your time and your task and you're good to go. You can also sync Todoist with other apps such as Google Calendar. Now imagine you are having Google Calendar and Todoist together. Your productivity is gonna increase twofolds and you're gonna love this app. It's gonna save you so much time and energy that once you start using, you cannot get rid of it. I've saved the best for the last. The fifth app is Notion. Now, what can I say about this device? It is the king of all productivity apps. You can make checklists, you can take notes, you can track your habits, you can make databases and link them to templates, whatnot. You can do everything in Notion. Notion is a one-stop destination for all your productivity needs. You don't need any other app if you're using Notion. Check out these videos on YouTube to learn how to use Notion. It is just amazing. You can even customize it using emojis, titles, and themes. Definitely, if you're gonna use something daily, you want it to look pretty. Notion makes it extremely easy to fulfill all your aesthetics and color codes. You can even change themes according to your mood, and that is something which is surprisingly amazing. Another thing about Notion is that the free version that Notion provides is more than enough for all of your needs. It doesn't push notifications in your face to buy the premium versions of it. You can buy it when you're all satisfied with the free version, or you can continue using the free version for as long as you desire. That was all from my side today. If you liked the video, please subscribe, comment and like. And do not forget to check the links in the description on how to learn Google Calendar and videos for how to learn Notion. Thank you. Bye bye.